It's market day. Welcome. Today we're going to be vending in a 2-day event market, and it is the same market that I went to last year, and it was the most profitable market that I've had ever. It's the one that I actually almost sold out, which was pretty phenomenal at that time, and I really, even up to this day, I really think that was more of a phenomenon. I don't think it'll ever happen again. And but yeah, so I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't think it's gonna be the same again. The weather in New England has been crazy. We are like low 50s, high 40s for our weather, and we're heading into June. We are in spring. It makes sense for the rain, but it's been raining every single day. So like right now, I can't show you, but it has started to drizzle. And from my last video, I said I realized I didn't own a raincoat, so I actually bought a raincoat off of Amazon just so I have something to wear just in case it rains. And sure enough, it is drizzling this morning. I have a helper today, or actually just this morning. Josh is actually driving in a different car because he's had to go back home. He's only gonna help me set up because it's raining. It's just gonna be easier for me. I most likely don't need his help if it's, you know, I really don't. I can manage to do it on my own, but when it's raining, it's harder and it takes more time to do so. So I asked for his help again. Nora doesn't want to come. She was planning on coming this morning, but I don't blame her. I wouldn't want to get up anyway too, so I'm just trying to make the best out of this situation, because that is definitely not in my control. Weather is just very fickle-minded. It's crazy. Hopefully, well, the forecast says that it's going to have scattered rain and cloudy all day today, so it's fine. The show doesn't start till 10 a.m. so as long as it's not raining between the show hours, I am okay with that. And also, I had a dilemma, and I hope it will be solved today. I just found out yesterday that my sidewalls from my tent disappeared. So I'm afraid it was thrown away accidentally because they were in a trash bag, which, you know, in hindsight, I should have put it in a trash bag. But, you know, can't find it anywhere else. It wasn't in my car, it wasn't in Josh's car, it was in the basement, it was like nowhere to be found. So that's not good, and they're not cheap, but thankfully I found some from Amazon, but it's not gonna get delivered until today. It was a 1-day delivery, but you know how those 1-day deliveries are. Sometimes they do deliver it like really late the following day, and I do need them to close down for tonight. So Josh is gonna drop it off to me when it gets delivered. Yeah, that's that. So I will give you guys an update once we have gotten to the venue and see where we're gonna be at. I'm actually in a different location this year. It's a new management that's doing the event, so everything is different in a sense. I am located by the food area, so I think it's good, and by the parking area too, which I'm very happy about. But like I said, I really don't know how it's gonna be, but we'll see. Okay, see you.
Hi. Chicken.
Here's chicken.
We're all in on the chicken.
Oh my gosh. I was singing chicken banana. I don't know if you've heard of that.
No, these were just too cute. We couldn't help it.
Oh, thank you. I'm so glad I made the different colors too, because I wasn't sure.
Oh no, it definitely was perfect.
Gosh.
I was like, do I want the blue one or do I want this? I'll get the blue one.
A hard decision. I've tried crocheting, but I don't have the patience for it, so I have so much respect.
Oh, thank you. It's fun. It's therapy for me. Keeps me sane.
That's all we need right now.
I know. Just to detach.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, I was looking out the bag. It's almost like you got a pet in there. That's awesome. Yeah, I literally tried to, and I maybe only had like a string going on, so I got it.
Oh, I hear you. I was the same at first, but I'm like, I don't want to spend, because my daughter at some point went crazy for it. I'm like, well, it costs me more to do it now than like just buy her the stuff.
Yeah, I have a whole kit going on right now. Maybe sometime I'll get back. Maybe I'll try again.
When it's quiet.
and there's nothing to do.
Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, guys.